HVAC people.
All right, so I'm at this call. I was out here August the 8th. I think it's like September the 3rd now. Last time I was out here, I had a blown fuse. And I changed out the contactor. I think I had like 9 ohms on my coil of my contactor. So I just went out and changed that out. Been running almost a month, so let's go see if this fuse. And I also put my little fuse tester or short finder on here, short pro tube. And the whole time I was here though, it never, I never could trace out the short, or never did short while I was here. So that's the only thing I found with the low ohms on the contactor. So I changed that out. So let's go troubleshoot and see what I find. Right, morning. Alrighty. So it went out again, huh?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's not heating. I mean, it's heat. It's not cooling.
It's not cooling?
Yeah. Since 2 days ago now.
Uh-huh. So the fuse blunt?
Something must have gone upstairs.
Yeah. Okay. All right, we'll check it out.
Sorry, I might be in a call.
Okay.
So if you need anything, text me or call me or
Okay.
something.
Yeah, that'll work.
I will try to pay attention, but
Okay.
with this thing sometimes I'm not
Yeah,
really.
and I'll try not to disturb you, but I'll check it out.
Right now it hasn't started yet.
Okay.
I'm expecting it any time.
Okay.
So I'm already dialed into the
Yeah.
call, but nobody else
Yeah.
is there yet. They're supposed to be there on,
Okay.
which is good.
So it is blowing though. It's not the
Yeah,
fuse. It's not the fuse.
Remember
then.
last time you told me not to, if the fan is running, don't stop it?
Correct.
So I let it run all 48 hours or whatever it takes.
Okay.
So I don't want it to
Okay,
stop
good.
it.
Okay,
I don't
good.
know whether it does, because I checked through the window
Mhm.
and that fan downstairs is working
Okay.
all the time.
Okay. Yeah. Let me check it out. I don't think it's the fuse this time then, because this would have been blank.
Yeah, that is.
Not the fuse.
I didn't touch anything with respect to thermostat.
Okay.
To stop it or anything, I just left
Okay.
untouched it.
Okay. Great. All right.
You know where it is.
Yep.
If you need to open the bathroom door, feel free, okay?
Okay.
I just close it so the insulator won't keep it going.
All
And you know
right.
the light is right there.
Yeah. All right. All right. Y'all know me, I like starting in the attic, but I ain't really gotta go that far, I don't think. I'm gonna go take a look at a flow switch or something, but last time this unit had a blown fuse, so that's good. It's not that. I gotta lean with it, rock with it. Yeah, this the blown fuse it had. So it is blowing, so that's good. All right, so I'm gonna cut the camera off, go down to the condenser unit. All style. This is the unit. I think it's this one right here. This the downstairs here. Let's see, 4-ton. Yeah, that's it right there. sensitive, but burn wire on that common. Burn wire. Yep. Just checking for voltage just to be safe. Try to kill this the best I can. Need a new wire right here. Alright, so this is a 60 by 10. Let me see if I got one of those. Yeah, it burnt up pretty bad. Alright, let's see what we got here. 60 by 10. 60 by 10. Try not to hit that 24 volt there. I don't know if you heard, I told the customer to leave it running just in case it do it again. But usually I tell the customer turn the air off if it's not cooling, but since we had a short problem, I didn't want him to just mess with anything. I think last time he said he was hitting the disconnect and all that stuff, which he probably wouldn't have restarted anyway. But in this situation, I would prefer him to turn the unit off since we got live wiring, but hopefully we ain't damaged anything else. I'm gonna put a new common wire on here. So all this orange is common, so I'm gonna take this one off. Replace it with this one. And that's common. And I also put this orange common here. And this brown is for the fan. And the purple is for the compressor. Everything is snug. Should be good. Fired up and see. Go. 13 amps. Can code, no sight glass clear, no need to hook up any gauges or anything. That was all wrong with it, just a burnt capacitor. All right, everybody take care. HVAC people.